Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make snappers out of Wacky Tracks, which is pretty cool, I think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Okay, get out your Wacky Track. It's time to make this. So first, I am just going to make a nice rectangle with the Wacky Track. And then I'm going to turn it into more of an addition symbol. You'll see. Okay, so does that sort of resemble an addition symbol? I don't know. It should just be entirely flat. And now we're going to turn up the edges like that. And I am going to repeat that all the way around the addition symbol. Okay, so all the edges are entirely turned up, and you can see they're all sticking straight up. There's nothing else. The next thing we're gonna do is just turn it into the snapper, which is what we're basically just gonna do is press the top and bottom edges, and boom, there you got it, a snapper. And turn it around and press the other side if you want it to snap. Isn't that cool? Okay guys, this is the end. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time. Bye!